So I'm gonna make my bed for sleeping tonight, and it's a standard bed. You know, post-op mastectomy, you could come home the same day or in a couple of days. So this is how my bed was set up. I have a footstool right there. I put it close to my bed, and then this is my triangular pillow. So I'm gonna sleep at the end of my bed, so I have my water and all that right there. Okay, I put that first, so it's set up as at an angle. So then I proceed to put all the pillows that I want. So I kind of put a thick one right there to give it an angle for my back. And this is a softer cooling pillow. I put it right there, so it's going up. So this is where the gold, this is the gold right here. So I have 2 sets of maternity pillow. This is from one set. I just took the top part off the first set. I put it at the side, and there. So it's in a 45-degree angle. It's raised, and this part is for my arm or for my back. If I'm gonna lay on my back, this part is for my back, for my side, my arms. So I just rest my arm on it like that. And this is gold for me. So setting up before I get into bed, I fix it like that. This piece is what I'm gonna hold, because the whole night you can't be on your back. If you, like the first couple of days, you'll be fine, but like a week post-op, you can kind of try to turn at an angle, and this piece will be the piece that you kind of hug to kind of turn yourself, whether you want to be on this side or that side. This is the piece that I put across my chest, because you can fold it like that. You put it across your chest. You can put this part between your legs, or whatever you want to do. This other triangular pillow, I use it for my legs. I don't really put that on the back. I just put it for my legs. But if you want to be higher, you can add this as well. So this is my bed. All of that is just what I use to reach. My remotes are on the side sometimes, or on the side table. So basically that's it.